Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Wix account. Whether you're switching platforms or simply no longer need your Wix account, this process is straightforward, and I'll walk you through each step. And if you're looking to get started on Wix instead, you can click on the link in the description down below. First, open your browser and head over to the Wix website. Once you're there, log in using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard. Now, look toward the top right corner of your screen where you'll find your profile icon. Click on it, and an expanded menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Account Settings. This is where you'll find all the configuration options related to your Wix account. Once you're in the Account Settings section, you'll see various details about your account displayed on the screen. This includes your personal information, subscription details, and other account-related settings. What you're looking for is located further down the page, so scroll down slowly until you find a section labeled Close Your Account. Click on it to proceed with the account deletion process. After clicking on that section, Wix will prompt you with a few questions before allowing you to close your account. This is standard procedure as they want to understand why users are leaving and gather feedback for improvement. You'll see a question asking for the reason you're closing your account. Click on the drop-down menu and select the option that best describes why you wish to close this account. Whether it's switching to another platform, no longer needing a website, or any other reason, choose the one that applies to you. Below that, you'll notice a feedback section. This part is optional, so you can skip it if you prefer. However, if you'd like to provide feedback on how Wix can improve their services or share your experience, feel free to type in your thoughts here. Your feedback could help them enhance their platform for future users. Now comes the confirmation step. To ensure that this decision really comes from you and not from someone else accessing your account, Wix will ask you to enter your password. Type in your password in the field provided. Once you've filled in all the required fields, you'll notice that the Close Account button lights up and becomes clickable. If you're absolutely certain you want to proceed with deleting your account, click on Close Account. Keep in mind that this action is permanent and you'll lose access to all your sites and data associated with this account. And that's it, you've successfully closed your Wix account. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.